What's going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We are another episode of the Smoke Show on the road. We're here at Throwing Smoke Festival, man. It's put on by Millscale and Mark Champion. Two awesome, great people, great companies. They have about 6 to 8 different pitmasters doing all specialty dishes that are just, saw the menu just like yesterday, and the food and menu looks like it's gonna be phenomenal. So let's get in here and get some of these specialty dishes by some of the top pitmasters in Texas. All right, it's going down. We got our first dish by Brisket Country. We got a chili cheese dog. It's actually, the sausage is done by Bill Dumas, Sausage Sensei. We got a beef cheek nachos that looks phenomenal. Let's get up into this real quick. See what it's like. Ooh, hungry. Wow. That's a great hot dog right there. Let's see what's up with these. Can't get all that in one. There's a little bit on there. Let's see that beef cheek. Literally disappeared. Like, literally disappeared, right? That shit was bomb. Hopefully I can get another one of them. All right, all right, all right. Ooh, look at that.
Fork, you use your fingers.
Oh, I'll use my fingers. So a quick little rundown of what we got here. If you don't mind.
That is Tate Farms pan-fried steak with a roasted poblano gravy, and along with beef tallow fried potatoes and smoked sriracha ketchup.
Let's give it a try. The meat was so seasoned so well. And that potato is bomb. What a fry. All right. Check out this tri-tip right here. What do you guys got on the top? A little chimichurri?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. Look at that thing. Ooh. Wow, it's so tender. Chimichurri, always a good choice. Oh, chicken, I think it's a pulled chicken. Let's keep it going. Wow, that's fantastic. The beans on it are really good. Go back to this little crunchy thing. Mm. All right, all right, all right. We're here at Sunbird Barbecue out of Longview, Texas. What's your name, man?
Brian.
Brian, we got Pitmaster Brian here. What we got here?
So you've got a hot gut sausage with chopped beef, pimento cheese, and then crispy onions and jalapenos.
Jeesh.
It's serious, bro.
Man, you ain't fucking around. Let's see what we got here. I'm a one bite type of guy. I don't know if I can fit this even in there. Let's see.
You like it?
So tender. Wow. I'm going in
We
again.
have one left.
Just for y'all.
Wow. Smoke game approved. Appreciate it, man. All right, we are on the last dish here at Throwing Smoke. We got a whole hog slider. It's like we got a nice little slaw up on there. Straight out from Reese Brothers. They're from down in San Antonio. Check them out. Let me know what you get. See what this bite's like right now.
Okay. Is
Mmm.
that the pork now?
Mm-hmm. Really good. Really nice, like vinegary slaw.
Yeah. I'm like every
bite
year,
right there,
I'll
bro.
do
That was a
I'll do
bite.
all the same drive. Like, I'll take a score
Mm.
and like
As much as I can eat.
that's I think that's
All right, y'all, that's a wrap here from Throwing Smoke. We're here in Austin, Texas at the lovely Throwing Smoke event. Man, we had a ton of great dishes. Food was phenomenal. Atmosphere was great. Drinks were flowing. You've seen it all. Check out the Smoke Game Strong Instagram for any updates on the next coming Smoke It, September 25th. We got new swag on the website. Shout out to Millscale and Mike Champion for the awesome event. Fogo sponsor, Treaty Oak, all great people. We were happy to be here. Till next time, peace.